This is Print Lab TV. Always the best.
Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be talking about how you can create your own YouTube channel. Now lots of persons have asked me about how we're able to create our YouTube channel and grow it in the space of a few months. How we're able to hit our 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the space of 1 year. So right now I'll be showing you the necessary steps you need to take in getting your channel ready for monetization and making sure that you get the necessary subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But basically, let's start with how you can create your very own YouTube. So all you have to do is you have to go to your browser, and from the browser you would go to, let's open the browser, you go to YouTube.com. This can be done both on the system and your mobile devices, like your mobile phone. Then once you get to YouTube.com, now one thing is, if you have a YouTube account, it does not necessarily mean that you would be able to upload videos or you already have a channel. The major thing is you'll be able to at least watch videos, like, comment, and do all sorts with YouTube, like downloading videos and all. But you will not be able to upload videos because you don't have a channel. So like I said earlier, this video is about how you can create a YouTube channel so you can upload videos and possibly monetize your videos. Now what you need to do is you have to go to the top right corner of the YouTube account and you click on the icon that has your name for you to know if you have a channel or not. So as you can see, there is a channel here, but the purpose of this video is for us to be able to create a new channel. So what we'll do now is you go to youtube.com/account and from there you'll be able to get to know everything as regards your YouTube account and decide if you want to open a new one or customize the existing one. So as you can see, we have the channel status and features. We talked about the existing channel on this Gmail account. Then you can add or manage your channels. You can view advanced settings, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be talking about how to create a new one. So all you need to do right now is to click on add or manage channels. And from there you can click on create a channel. If it's not opening, what you have to do is you will need to change it to a desktop format. As such, as you can see, it's now open. So basically, some devices might actually, mobile devices might actually give you issues opening your channel. So what you have to do is you have to convert it to a desktop view. Now let's name this channel like my new channel. Then you accept the YouTube policies and create. And that is it. So as you can see, we have been able to create a new channel called my new channel, and it has no subscribers. So what you would want to do right now is upload your first video if you already have one, so and do some other things. You might want to customize, manage videos and all. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe before leaving this channel, and I hope to see you again next time. Have a good day. Bye.